E aí, tô de volta. Já comecei num lugar esquisito. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Que é isso? Tubarões. Dá pra clicar? Como é que eu pego? Ah. Cara, não tem aquela setinha no meio, velho. Aquele bagulhinho lá pra gente ver onde a gente tá mirando. Vamos lá. Provavelmente. Ah. Bom, mas vou voltar lá porque lá tinha um lugar também pra fazer isso. O que será que tem lá? Eu vou sair do mesmo lugar. Essa voz sinistra. Com sotaque carioca. É o mesmo lugar. Que porcaria. Tem nada mais aqui? Se eu faço assim com a lanterna, agacho, não pula, normal. O que eu faço com isso?
What a putrid offering.
Oferenda podre mesmo, tio. Olha, Frio Willy.
Don't fight. You have been chosen.
Tá bom, apertar o shift pra correr. Já tava correndo já desde o começo mesmo, porque
Behold. Everything has already been written.
nossa, velho, só tem Voldemort no bagulho.
Perhaps you will attempt to change your destiny.
E o carinha do Piratas do Caribe lá, o David Jones. Tá parecendo eu, velho, com os pesadelos.
I hate whiskey.
Ele não gosta de whisky. Tá, o que é isso? Oral speech, beleza. Beleza, tem um isqueiro. E tem uns... será que eu consigo aumentar isso aqui? Não tenho CP pra isso.
Married woman runs off with her girlfriend. The husband couldn't understand it.
East Coast.
A good old story of blackmail in a speakeasy. Natural sciences, linguistics, archaeology. I should get rid of all this stuff.
Põe um Tecno aí. Não, põe um Trance. Põe um Full On Night.
I'm listening.
Are you Edward Pierce?
Oh, ele chama
Private
Edward, eu também
investigator
chamo
contracted
Edward.
by the Wentworth Detective Agency?
That's correct.
Hello, Mr. Pierce. I'm Lucy Sherifield, in charge of investigators over at Wentworth. I'm calling because of a problem with your file. A fire has destroyed some of our documents.
Is that right?
I'm still...
Vou misturar aqui, galera. Não sei o que eu faço. Yes.
Thank you for this information, Mr. Pierce. And,
What's wrong?
as you know, we wish to close... And,
But-
Mr. Pierce, do you still...
I'm coming.
Vocês não querem ver o vídeo também, né, galera? Depois dá pra vocês verem no canal.
Are you
Eu quero
capable of
jogar.
handling a new case, or are you simply...
If you come to me...
No, sir. I want you to look careful.
That's all you've got? A painting?
I placed a file on your desk. It contains everything I have on the affair.
Não tenho ponto. É. Então eu tenho uns bagulho doido também na cabeça, beleza. Não tenho. Beleza, então vamos lá. Examinar.
Its strange beauty isn't enough to hide the feeling of dread. A warehouse on Darkwater. Some sketches of the Hawkins family.
So, Mr. Pierce, what do you make of these elements?
The sender's label mentions Warehouse 36.
That's right. It came with Sarah's last painting.
And you think your daughter could have been the sender?
That is what you must find out. Go to Darkwater. Find Warehouse 36.
Tá. Então eu não vou
Dark
ficar
water.
pulando.
Never heard of the place. Where is that?
It's a small, remote island off the coast of Boston.
I suppose you want to ship me off there.
Darkwater holds the secret regarding...
Her husband was a big deal. I believe you...
I am aware of that. I believe there is...
I think I'm beginning to
I'm willing to do any...
Quiet down. An artist, your only
Correct.
which you don't totally...
Find that way.
All right. I'll take the case.
Thank you, Mr. Pierce. I didn't expect any less coming from a man in your situation.
Something's queer. But it's not like I have a choice. Darkwater. I think I've got a book on the North Atlantic. I used to be an avid reader. The Wentworth Agency doesn't track top-notch cases.
Já vi que não é só correr no escuro. Darkwater Port. É. Tem que esperar. Gostei da imagem desse jogo. Uma mistura de... sei lá. Com não sei o que lá também. Vamos, filho, pra hoje. E... eu tô num barco, provavelmente. Indo pro Dark. Alguma coisa que eu esqueci o nome. Vou pular, tá?
So, what wind brought you?
Does the Hawkins case mean anything to you?
A sad story that we would all prefer to forget. Charles Hawkins may have been a landlubber,
Dark
but
water.
he was a good man.
And his wife, Sarah Hawkins.
A nice young woman, and a great painter. What a tragedy. You know what? Go have a drink at the Stranded Whale. What you need is a good pick-me-up. Mitchell may not be very welcoming, but as for me, you'll find me at the Harbor Master's office. If it's the Hawkins family that brings you here, I have a pile of documents that should interest you.
Understood. I'm going for a look.
Dr. Fitz, não sei o que lá. Fitzroy. Um CP, então vamos lá. Vamos colocar aqui. Yes. Bom. E aí, tio? Cutscenes pra caraca.
In my bar, we don't serve troublemakers.
Pure instinct. I behaved like a...
Veteran, huh?
I'm here.
I prefer it that way. Speak then. I reserve...
Nossa, estão fazendo uns barulhos, tomara que não saia no vídeo.
I didn't expect to find alcohol on this island. What's the source of this miracle?
You mean who? Our sort...
I'll tell...
She... Anything...
Captain Fitzroy told me about a little pick-me-up.
You want a drink?
I wouldn't say no to a glass.
Try this.
Será que eu vou ficar bêbado? Ele tá colocando na onde?
I think we'll get along well.
Legal, isso vai afetar meu destino.
Do you know where this place is? Warehouse 36.
The Hawkins warehouse. If I were you, I wouldn't hang...
Why not?
First off, there are sailors from around here screams. That's...
Scream.
And that's not all, but all... anything else?
What can you tell me about her?
We all knew she was famous on the mainland. Then...
Her style made her famous. How would you describe?
Yeah, we saw...
So they made
You need...
her vision.
Way I...
What do you mean by that?
Do you still trust the truth after a bottle of whiskey?
Her style made her famous.
Yeah, we saw...
So
You...
I've got what I need.
Anything...
The stranded whale. I guess this
What can I tell you? The name, it reminds us of the golden... When our whale...
It was a...
Ah,
That'll be all for now.
Tá. deve ser Bradley.
What you looking at, stranger?
The clientele is predominantly male.
Tell me something I don't know.
I meant nothing by it. I'm just wondering what a woman like...
And I'm wondering what could be going through the head of... Let me I told you to beat it.
Au. Ficou brava.
The miraculous catch. Apparently, the most significant event of the last 80 years.
E se eu andar pela doca? Pela doca.
Please move back. Let the police do their work. The same goes for you, sir. Move along.
I'm looking for this address. Warehouse 30...
Ah.
I didn't introduce myself. Edward Pierce.
In any case, it's not fair. I can't answer that.
You can't?
Oh, no. I'm not getting it now. Please.
You can't understand. You're not sailors. It's a sign. There's something...
You can see that I'm busy, can't you?
You can't understand. Don't put that beast back in the water, you shysters. You're crazy.
Fitzroy. O cenário é bem legal. Olha o farol. Bem macabro também.
I've brought out the Charles Hawkins cargo manifests. They're on the table next to you. But in truth, you're likely to be disappointed. When you're done, come join me on the deck.
These manifests are signed by Charles Hawkins. But that's all I'll get from them.
O carinha teleporta.
From here, I see the hard work, even the end.
It's you.
Oh, I will tell me.
I'm looking for warehouse...
Look, it's right there. The warehouse is opposite the jetty. You can't miss it.
Understood.
You know who the building belongs to, don't you?
It belonged to the Hawkins family.
Precisely. Ship owners from father...
I think that somebody hit... Can you tell me where the...
Look, I've already shown it to you. It's the one with the cop on guard duty out front. You can't miss it.
Ah, tem guardinha lá.
I shall be on my way.
So come back.
Ei, cadê o objetivo novo? Ganhei mais um ponto? Ganhei. Então vamos ver aqui agora. Força pra bater nos caras lá. Sei que assim funciona. Places. Cara, provavelmente eu não vou poder. Não vou conseguir entrar aqui. Mas que custa? E aí?
Where do you think you're going?
I'm not here to hinder your work, officer. Edward Pierce, private detective.
Sorry, we're all a little on edge. What are you doing here?
I'm investigating the death of the Hawk.
Darn it. Why do you want to drag up all that stuff again?
My investigation has led me to this warehouse.
That case was closed months ago.
Who are these others so interested in the warehouse?
And why would I tell...
You and I are on the same side of the law.
Oh, yeah?
You don't want to know the truth behind this case.
Are you saying our work was not up to snuff? Forget it.
Thank you for your value.
Okay, sir.
Sabia? Será que se eu conversasse direito eu ia conseguir entrar ali? Deve ter outro jeito de entrar, provavelmente.
Who's this guy?
No idea. You better keep it shut. What's with you wandering around here like a hungry dog?
Eu tenho que destravar também, velho.
So, who are you?
Are you stupid or are you doing it on purpose?
Everybody knows us on Darkwater.
I've just arrived.
Let's just say we're standing guard for the owner of the site. And we let no one enter.
What are you guarding, exactly?
Listen, bonehead.
I've got to enter the Hawkins warehouse.
No, it's very simple.
I don't give a damn.
And we don't give a damn.
I bid you, gentlemen.
Tá bom.
How could you be dumb enough to leave the entrance to the warehouses unguarded?
Keep your voice down. Why not go and shout at the cat while you're at it? I don't want to end up with her little knife under my throat.
It's and with that smell on your...
You live here?
Why did you do that, huh? Yeah, we'll teach you to...
I respect your beliefs.
Our beliefs?
That's irrelevant.
That's what...
There's you, our beloved statue, and then those two bozos behind us. Wait, now that I think about it, it's got to be them. There's one of them.
Quieter. That's all.
What brings you to Darkwater?
The two guys behind you. What are they guarding?
The bootleggers. Scum.
They're protecting their territory.
They really... They're more...
If only they...
This cat you mentioned. Is she their boss?
Hold on just a minute.
Nothing at all.
This cat you...
Oh,
Nothing.
I have an offer that could interest you.
we're listening.
I need you to keep them busy for a while.
What's in it?
What would convince you to help me?
There's only one thing that...
For sure. Bring...
Liquor?
Exactly.
I'll try to find some for you.
Já vi que esse cara é bêbado. E vamos fazer eles arrumar confusão. Eu não fui pra lá ainda. E agora?
What can I get you?
Let's say I want to buy a bottle from you.
Choice is yours. Everything's on.
How much for a bottle of whiskey?
$5.
I guess I'm not desperate.
I'm not judging you.
That'll be all for now.
Yeah. Bom, consegui uma garrafa de whisky por $5. Tomara que seja um whisky bom. Ou ruim, tanto faz, é pra esses caras aqui mesmo. Vamos lá.
So, have you got what we asked you for?
Yeah.
Here.
Now, sit back and follow me. Cheers, you jackass.
I don't feel well.
Hey, where are you going?
Say that again. I hope for your sake that I didn't hear you.
Haha. Arrumei um jeito de entrar.
Let's see.
Eu sou o cara.
Shoot. I'll have to find another way to get in.
Não acredito, velho.
It's no use. The padlock won't give.
Well, well. A little mouse has got lost on our turf. You're not only inquisitive, you're also stupid. What gave you the crazy idea to come onto my turf?
Your turf? That's news to me.
For a guy who has no idea, you've been doing a fair... My men saw you staking out the hawk and...
Is that against the law?
I'm no idiot, detective. I'll tell you how things work around here. I decide who comes in and who stays out. And anyone who doesn't respect my rules...
Vou ter que atacar.
As you wish.
Nossa, velho, deu um soco na mina. Que animal, velho. Por que ele fez isso? Esse cara não fez nada.
If you've broken my nose...
I was careful.
Do you want us to take care of him, Cat?
No, you don't lack nerve.
I'll make a note of it.
Please do. I'm Kat. I run the neighborhood. Everyone marches to my tune here. Rather than foolishly risking, we can talk about...
Então é ela que comanda o barato.
It's no use. The padlock won't give.
Não me ajuda a entrar, não? Não sobe. Aí, Zé Roxo. Tomou uma porrada. Ajudou aqui. Fala pra ele sair daí. Bom, eu não fui pra lá ainda. Vamos ver o que tem pra cá. Quem sabe? Era só eu ter vindo pra cá. E aí, tio? Deixa eu entrar.
You saw what happened with those sailors. Don't hang around here unless you want trouble with the bootleggers.
It's a...
Well, at least you're still here to talk.
Something like that.
With that? Leave me alone, please. I don't...
It looks like there's a way in under this grate.
Tá. O que tem o pontinho de interrogação ali? Catch clues. Como é que eu aperto ele? Eu não vou apertar, não.
I could use this old winch to lift the grating, but it's been completely taken to bits. There must be some spare parts amid all this clutter.
Óbvio que não ia estar aqui tão fácil assim.
A ratchet device. Exactly what I need.
Será que é só isso mesmo? Tá, e agora? Precisa de mais coisas?
This handle will be perfect for the winch.
Vamos lá. Parece que eu achei tudo que eu preciso. Precisa de mais coisa ainda. Como é que eu abro aquele pontinho ali de interrogação. Não consigo abrir meu inventário, provavelmente não tem nada. Eu acho.
A whale vertebra. If the newspaper clipping in the bar is true, this bone is a real fossil.
Como é que eu vejo ali? Será que é dica? Bom, acho que não tem mais nada pra cá. Mas é bom sempre olhar, né? Saúde. Mas por que eu não pronuncia? Beleza. Vou tentar só mais algumas vezes. Porque eu já vi que esse jogo aqui vai ser demorado. Eu não queria fazer um vídeo tão grande. Você é louco. Cara desse maluco.
Prohibition is just a joke around here. That suits me fine.
We're no longer at home on our own island.
Calm down. It's not worth the effort.
I told him, that flunky, that he'll see what a real sailor has in his belly.
If you continue like that, everyone will see what you've got in your belly.
I hope so.
Será
I
que eles
hope
me
they don't
ajudam?
forget the lesson. Me? I'm not scared of some girl.
I mean they're going to cut you open, you idiot. Calm down.
Isso aí, fica calmo, louco. Me ajuda. Me ajuda lá no bagulho. Me ajuda lá então, você.
You're back again.
Your manifests have been black.
Yeah, I saw that. I don't...
And what?
You mean that...
I know that Charles and the...
Indeed.
So where did the Hawken...
Well, from what Chuck, although...
With whom? I shall be on my way.
So come back and...
Basilla. This blackboard hasn't been used in a long while. Fishing equipment. Could do with some rust remover.
Nice, tem um banheiro. Uia.
This man and Fitzroy could be twins. What a macabre souvenir.
Perna de pirata. Lembrei de uma música. Então vamos lá. Preciso de alguém pra me ajudar.
I wonder what Captain Fitzroy has got to say about this woman cat. Broken. This place seems half abandoned.
Preciso entrar tem lá no fundo?
You're not sailors. It's a sign.
Os carinha brigando de novo. Os carinha voltou lá? Não.
Hey, tell him to calm down.
Me? And why would I do that?
It was just a little joke.
So I mustn't have understood it because it didn't make me laugh.
Povo tudo triste. Ah, então eu queria pescando. Água suja.
There's something coming. Something real bad.
Don't put that beast back in the water, you shysters! You're crazy!
They're cops. They can't understand.
You didn't tell me that the warehouse I was looking for was right in front of us.
Because its owner is dead. And now please.
You can't understand. You're not sailors. It's a sign.
You didn't tell me.
Because it... And now please.
You can't understand. You're not sailors. It's a sign. There's something coming. Something real bad.
Don't put that beast back in the water, you shysters! You're crazy!
They're cops. They can't understand.
Damn stupid idiots!
Forget it. Nobody listens to us anyway.
That's no way to treat an omen.
Oh, yeah? He's gonna get us into trouble.
Vai, animal.
You can't
Quero ver.
understand. You're not sailors. It's a sign. There's something coming. Something real bad.
Bom, tô em segundo andar ali no bar. Será que eu fui lá?
The miraculous catch. Apparently, the most significant event of the last 80 years.
Hey, Mitchell. A drink for... I think it's time to talk.
No hard feeling.
For a lucky little... It will serve as a... Tell me, what brings...
I'm investigating the death.
It's very nice of you to tell me the truth, so... But it's also really stupid of you. You really don't seem to know the area. Let me... If you want to survive more than a day in this rat hole, avoid talking about them to the first people you meet.
Beleza.
I need to get into the Hawkins warehouse.
You're out of luck. It's on my turf.
It's precisely for that reason that I've come to see you.
Are you pulling my leg?
Think it over. I've seen what you're capable of. You almost got me.
I accept the compliment. Well, I see you're serious. To be honest, as long as it doesn't interfere with my business, I don't care. But I'll go with you, to make sure you don't stick your nose into things that don't concern you.
Sounds honest to me.
I'm not finished. If I do that for you, if I let you onto, you'll be indebted to me. And I guarantee that I always think about it.
Do I have a choice?
Oh, we are. Follow me.
You've got no problem going out looking like that.
How sweet of you to worry about my authority. I wouldn't be here if I was the sort of girl who'd hide away because of a black eye. People here know who they're dealing with. They watch their step.
I was given to believe that Fitzroy stood up to you.
That dope tried to save face in front of his sailors. They revere their brave captain as they do their old statues. But sooner or later, all statues get buried in bird shit. And nobody cares.
And the police? They do nothing to stop you?
The local cops? The cops drink like everyone else, sweetheart. They know where their interests lie. Apart from that pig-headed Bradley. I don't know whether to admire his stubbornness or to have pity on him.
Fala que você vai abrir a porta pra mim lá.
It's fine. He's with me.
Oh, okay.
Olha, ela manda mesmo nos caras. Vamos! Tô com pressa, meu.
That's how it's
conseguiu.
done. Do I still need to hold your hand? Or do you think you'll get by on your own now?
Don't overdo it.
Good. In that case, I'll leave you. I've done enough mothering for now.
Yeah. Olha.
Oh, this place stinks.
Bom.
What is...
Investigation.
the connection between this place and the Sarah Hawkins case?
Bom, galera, como eu consegui completar... Ah, eu consigo... Tipo, voltar no tempo, é isso?
It smells as bad as it looks. Can't sleep. I know how that feels. What happened here?
Soco. Interessante o jogo, velho.
Who has enough money to buy painkillers, but stays in a place like this? Is this one of Sarah Hawkins' paintings?
Legal, velho. Você segura os dois botões e ele cria uma reconstrução. Aí você volta pra realidade. Então esse vídeo vai ficando por aqui, porque eu consegui entrar aqui dentro do armazém. E vamos ver se mais tarde a gente continua. Fui. Tô aqui ainda, tô indo.